Number 1. Brainstorm the activities you find fulfilling and meaningful. Have you ever wondered how some people appear to have it all figured out in their careers? What's their trick? It's simple. They discovered their passion and turned it into a career. But how do you find out your true calling in the first place? That's why we're here now to help you. The first step in discovering your passion is listing the activities you enjoy and find meaningful, such as hobbies, work responsibilities, or anything else that makes you happy. Focus on the things that cause you to lose track of time, which usually indicates that you're having fun. This technique will help you determine your natural interests and provide a starting point for further exploration. Another way to identify your interest is to ask your friends and family members what you always talk about. You're strongly interested in that subject if you repeatedly bring up specific activities. This is because we tend to talk about something more often and enthusiastically when we're passionate about something. So don't be afraid to obtain feedback from those closest to you. Next, consider the areas of your career you enjoy, such as training new employees or delivering presentations. These responsibilities could indicate that you enjoy teaching or working with people. On the other hand, you need to consider the occupations you've liked and disliked most, so you know which careers to pursue and which to avoid. Number 2, write down values that are important to you. Do you know that values are the core beliefs that make you feel satisfied and become part of your personality? So when you're looking for your passion, it's critical to write down the values that are important to you. This will help you discover activities, hobbies, or careers matching your values, making you happier and more fulfilled. Loyalty, creativity, compassion, family, and dependability are some examples of values you may have. If you need help with values, think about a few people you admire and consider what values they stay true to. For example, you may admire your partner's listening ability or your friend's truthfulness. This practice will help you better understand the values you hold dear. Remember that success will follow when your values and passions are in sync. Number 3. Consider your talents. Examining your talents when discovering your passion and turning it into a career is critical. If you're naturally strong at something or have developed a specific skill set, it could be a sign that you're genuinely passionate about it. Hence, take some time to consider your strengths, such as photography, public speaking, or playing an instrument. Even if you don't believe you have talents, pay attention when others compliment you. Indeed, sometimes it takes someone else to see and bring our talents to our attention. You might even be more talented than you think after all. You can be passionate about anything as long as you enjoy doing it and it provides you joy. Consider the well-known author J.K. Rowling. Before her first novel was published, she was rejected by several publishers. She stuck to it since she was passionate about writing. Resultingly, she's now one of the world's most successful novelists. So it's also crucial to realize that you don't have to be good at something to love it. However, persistence is the key. Number 4, explore things you've always wanted to try. It's easy to become stuck in a rut and cling to what you know, but attempting new things can open up a whole new universe of possibilities. List all the experiences and activities you've always wanted to try. Take the time to investigate these new experiences once you've made your list. This can include enrolling in a class, attending a workshop or conference, or setting aside time to practice the activity. It's essential to embrace these new experiences with an open mind and desire to learn. You might discover you're passionate about something you've never even considered. Keeping an open mind when researching various career possibilities is crucial. Refrain from limiting yourself to conventional work titles or duties. Evaluate your talents and experiences and how they might become a new professional path. Look for open employment online and read the descriptions to determine if they match your passions and interests. This way, you might be surprised at what you can learn about yourself. Number 5. Talk with people in areas you're passionate about. Talking with people who share your interests can provide helpful advice. They can share their experiences and offer insights you may not have considered. For example, if you want to pursue a career in web development, speaking with someone who has been in the area for a while can advise you on what skills to learn, tools to use, and problems to expect. Connecting with those who share your interests may lead to discovering new prospects or even landing a job. According to a LinkedIn report, networking may fill up to 85% of employment. Number 6. Be enthusiastic about everything you do. Approach each task with a positive attitude. Did you know that research suggests that having a positive mindset might boost productivity and creativity? You'll not only have a more enjoyable experience, but if you're excited, you'll also be more likely to discover your passion. Don't be scared to experiment and take risks. Even if you fail, you'll learn from your mistakes and grow. Remember that it's all about the journey, not just the destination. So be open to new opportunities and accept the challenges that come with them. Finally, keep in mind that discovering your passion takes time and work, that it's not something that occurs overnight. But don't worry. Continue to explore and attempt various things until you find your passion. Indeed, you can make your passion your career and live a full life doing what you love with hard effort and devotion. Number 7. Follow a C.L.E.A.R path when you find a new interest. Following the C.L.E.A.R, or C.L.E.A.R, path might be beneficial when determining whether a new interest is something you want to pursue as a job. Curiosity and learning more about the activity can help you create a stronger passion for it. As you become more aware of your interests, you may find yourself devoting more time and resources to it, which may eventually result in acknowledgement from others for your passion and dedication. It's crucial to realize that this path isn't always linear, and it may take time. You may find yourself switching back and forth between stages, or perhaps quitting an interest entirely. Finding your passion and turning it into a job is a fulfilling process that requires time, work, and commitment. Remember to keep exploring your hobbies, finding people with similar interests, and persevering through difficulties. Before we sign off, we want to hear from you. Have you found what you love doing? If so, how did you build a career out of it? Or are you still on the lookout? Please share your ideas and experiences in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to our channel, The Growth Mindset, and turn on the notification bell to remain fully informed about our latest videos. Thank you for your time.